But we're gonna go up Married Man's Trail. Now they've improved it over the years. It used to just be a dirt path and then you cross this bridge here years ago. But now there's stairs almost the whole way. But this was the like secret passage to Creek Street and the houses there, right? It's called Married Man's Trail. Get it? Of course, now they're trying to call it Salmon Walk. There is a fish ladder up here because there's a waterfall. And we're going to get up to that. Yaltatsi salmon. Yaltatsi salmon. See, I always call it the Yaltatsi salmon, but it's Yaltatsi. Of course, that's up to the Cape Fox Lodge. There's a stairway up there. I can't tell you how many steps on it. I've never gone up there. I have ridden the funicular and walked down the other side. Yum. So this is, well, the end of Creek Street, right? There's the New Amsterdam, I think it was. Our ship is on the other side of that building. But it looks like the salmon are no longer running, although I thought sure they would be. But that's why we're going to the park, because if they're running, the creek will be full of salmon up there. Oh, the fish ladder's up ahead here. See more dead salmon. I mean, there's so many that the birds and the seals and bears can't eat them. Can't eat them all, you know? I mean, they all come up here to spawn and die, right? So there's the fish ladder. That's the road. You take the road. It's got a sidewalk and everything all the way from the ships. Well, Creek Street is back that way. The fish ladder is right below us. Janet said she saw some salmon in here that were alive still. But this is Park Avenue, you might say. Leads up to the city park. And so we're going to walk up there for a little bit and see. Up there we can get really close to the creek. Oh yeah, I see him flapping around now. You probably don't see him, but it's all those gray things in the water. Or black. So Ventia? Cape Fox Lodge is up there. Up that street. You know, it's a hotel. It's got a restaurant, coffee shop. Still Ketchikan Creek, still full of dead salmon. And I will say these salmon seem bigger. They must be a different variety than we saw in Sitka. We've been following Park Avenue up around. Here's Woodland and Herring Way. See, this is Herring Way, right? It's just a sidewalk. We're gonna cross Ketchikan Creek again. There is a totem museum up here. Oh. Drop a coin, make a wish, you will be happy, a boy can fish. Let's see if we can see anything in there. Do you see them? I mean, the river should be brown on the bottom, and it's black because the salmon are so thick there. And on this side too. You can see them disturbing the water. They have white on their fins sometimes. See that waving and twirling? The park is up around the bend. Well, Unless you're talking about the skate park. The skate park is right here. Skate or die. Now that says dead end, but you can actually get to the park that way too, along the river. But we're gonna go this way. So the skate park is back there. There's a baseball diamond.
Oh, that's a school.
Janet says it's a school. Hi. And here's the park. Oh, and the fountain's on. And it's for sale. Oh, maybe that building's for sale. It's a nice park. It's got some big trees in it. Water feature. And a hatchery. Now they used to have tours, but I don't think they do them anymore. At least every time we've come now for the last few years, they've been closed. They do have a bathroom, but occasionally it's locked. I don't see any salmon in here. And I don't remember that fountain. But there it is. Don't see any dead salmon either. I do see a hole there under this tree. So the creek is over there through those trees. Well, those trees are along the shore. And this is the Deer Mountain Fish Hatchery. And of course they have bear-proof trash bins. Remember, you got to stick your hand in the handle and push the button. Hatchery entrance. And I see there's still the sign on the door that says we're not open. But they work. It's still a working hatchery, at least I think. But I will point out that there's restrooms right there, although they may be locked. The bathrooms were not locked. Closed to the public. So ever since COVID, I think it's been closed. That maybe even before. But let's get a close look at the salmon in the creek. Maybe even go underwater. How would that be? Stedman Thomas Totem Heritage Center. Look, a giant gold nugget. Salmon walk. Still. So this is the creek again. And there's salmon in there, but not nearly as many. Whoa. That's a loose board. I might have fallen in. Salmon walk. Totem pole with the Alaska state flag on it. It may be closed now. It's getting late in the day. And I'm going to show you the price anyway. And the price is adults are $6 and people like me are $5. And everyone else is free. See that? So that's where we're at. Well, we're actually now back across. So we're going to come down the river. We're going to go the back way. The sign says dead end, but it's a dead end for cars, right? So this is the hatchery. That's the totem center. We're going to look for a spot where we can get down to the water. Well, the tanks are covered, so you're not going to see anything. Of course, here's where the water flows back into the river. And it's a residential area. Now you can see them kind of jumping, moving around out there. I think we can get in closer, but not here. The museum and the hatchery and the park are up that road. We're back to Park Avenue here. Skate park, the bridge over the water. Janet thinks we should walk on the sidewalk. I agree. So like trolls or whatever mythical creature lives under a bridge, we're under the bridge now. And maybe you can see them now.
We're aggregating them.
So I'm going to try to step out there without getting too wet in my shoes. Well, no, they run away. Of course, you can see the dead ones everywhere. See that? I have one thing in mind, and that one thing is not us. But I guess they don't like to be watched. Well, that was how to get up to the city park by way of Creek Street. Hope you enjoyed it.
And also the hatchery, but it's been closed now for a few years. I'm not sure what's going on with it.
Closed to the public.
Yes, they're still working there.
As you saw, there's fish right here in this creek. So
From Ketchikan, I'm Janet,
and I'm Garrett.
and we'll see you in the next port.
Bye.
Bye.